What goes into a good web design? Stick around. That's what we're talking about today on Quick Tips Tuesday. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Rob Orr. And if we've not met before, I help people build lucrative online businesses without a big brand name and businesses that attract high quality, big budget clients and maximize their profits online. Today, I want to talk to you about 3 things that are vital to making a good website design. So what makes a good website design? This question came up recently. I was talking with some friends of mine, and it just really kind of dawned on me that we don't hear a lot of talk about what makes a good design. We talk about what is a great headline, and we talk about what is a great image or what is a great aesthetic design, but we don't really talk about the overall design for the pages of your website and your funnel together as one piece. So that's what I wanted to talk about today real quickly and cover these 3 things. So, number 1, what makes a good website design? Clarity. Seems that would be like a super simple thing to understand, right? Clarity makes everything easier. This means that you've got clear copy, that your headlines are clear and to the point. They tell your visitors what's in it for them so that they can take action and take the next step into your sales funnel. It means that the features and the functionality of your website are easy to use and clear on how you need to proceed through the website to accomplish the task that you want to as a user. And it means that your design is clear. It means that you aren't cluttering up your website with a whole bunch of different kinds of visual elements just because you're trying to show off your design chops instead of actually being focused on your user and making a great user experience. So be clear with your website design on all those elements, and you're going to be on the right path. Number 2 is consistent. And what I mean by consistent is that you've got a consistent voice for your copy, that your page layouts and your designs are consistent in terms of their look and their feel, and that they make sense so that when a user goes from one section of your website to the next, they understand what's going on. They understand the various different things that are going on one page to the next, and that the copy is clear. It's written in the same voice. You're using the same tone. You're using the same kinds of messaging that you do throughout the entire site. So people don't get confused and think that they've ended up on another website. I've seen instances where people have tried to just go so far with their website design that they go from one page to the next and it looks like you're on a completely different website. That is absolutely the opposite of what you want to do. You want to make sure for your website to be effective in achieving its goals and purposes, that you want to make sure that your website is consistent from page to page and it is performing at top levels throughout your entire website. Finally, number 3 is that it's branded. This kind of coincides with number 2, but this makes sense because if you've got a sales funnel that looks one way, and if you've got a website that looks one way, and then if you've got a platform funnel that looks a different way, it doesn't make sense that all these things are disjointed, they're not connected, and people understand the visual cues that you're giving them throughout your various different web properties. So if you present a different kind of design on your sales funnel that doesn't match up with what's on your website or doesn't match up with what's on your platform funnel, then you're going to confuse your users. And one thing that Russell Brunson always teaches us is that a confused mind never buys, right? And we want people interacting and engaging with our website, whether they're making a purchase or whether you want them to come to your website to pick up the phone to make a call or download a resource. You are consistently branded through all of your different web properties so that it makes sense and that it's cohesive from one to the next. That's all I've got for you guys today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Make sure to give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you hit the bell icon too to make sure that you get alerts every time that I come out with a new video. We've got lots of great stuff happening on this channel. Want to make sure that you're involved and that you hear about the stuff when we're doing new things on the channel, when we're publishing new videos and we're doing new stuff. So that's all I've got. You guys take care. Until next time. Bye.